So I play basketball at an NAIA school. So pretty good level of competition. What led me to Hyperarch Fascia training, I actually found you on a YouTube video with Kadur Ziani,
Oh,
and then I found your website from there. And the reason I chose it is because I've tried PT, I tried the knees over toes guide program. I tore my ACL, which is kind of like when I started to try and get back to where I was before that. I've tried massage therapists, I tried chiropractors, like STEM, tried like kind of like acupuncture, but slightly different. And a guy from Kansas City, and that kind of helped for a little bit, but then the pain just came back, and I was looking for something that would like change my body so like it's always healthy,
right.
and like change the root problem, like you say. And so basically, I never heard of fascia, but the concept that why some people can like perform at elite levels and some people can't just made sense to me, because like I'm working just as hard as everybody else, if not harder, and I'm doing everything that mainstream media is telling me to do, but yet I tore my ACL. I've had knee, back, neck, shoulder, foot, ankle problems, and like none of it's helped. It's always been Band-Aid fixes. And so I decided to give you a shot. I was pretty convinced by like all the pictures that you show of like feet and stuff,
Yes,
like the extensor tendons and all
right.
the signs of it.
Like before and after. Yeah.
Definitely. And like how LeBron James has like nasty looking feet, kind of.
Yeah.
But he's one of the greatest ever. And so it just all made sense to me. Yeah. That's
So
kind of my dream.
how was the journey like in the 12 weeks?
In the 12 weeks.
What were you like at week 1?
Week 1, everything was very hard.
Very hard, right? Yes. It looks simple, but it's hard.
It looks very simple, but it's not. It's like, it's kind of hard to explain, but yeah, like my balance improved a lot over the weeks. The way I was doing the same simple movements changed, but it was like a gradual change. Like I like how it's a gradual change, because that means it's gonna stick with you. It's not just gonna go away after like a couple weeks. And so, yeah, towards the end, I was feeling a lot more glutes, a lot more hamstrings. Pain was going away. So yeah, I'm very happy, and I want to continue doing this. So
Great. Well, it was a pleasure working with you, and you were very coachable. And a number of metrics that we had in week 1. We had a lot of fascial adhesions in week 1, and
yeah,
and by the end of the 12 weeks, it's like 0, 1, at the most a 3. That's it,
yeah.
right? In the beginning, I have my spreadsheet here that keep track of everything. We had 8 and 7s.
Yeah.
That was high.
Where were those at? That was probably
Quads and glutes. Yeah, quads and glutes were very high. And because you had a lot of problem on the right side before, so that side was the weaker, was the problematic side, right?
Yeah.
You also had quad pain for a number of years. It was like 4 years, right?
Yeah, 3-4 years.
Right. And
that started before my ACL.
Right.
And
so
then,
that's probably like a sign, like there's some adhesions there that just never really untangled.
Yeah. And it's crazy. Like I had Morton's neuroma. So like when your foot, you get these like pains.
Sure.
Right in between the toes, kind of.
On the right?
On both feet.
On both feet before?
Yeah. Like this was way, this is probably like 5th or 6th grade.
Wow. Okay.
And It's okay. And so the doctor diagnosed me like with Morton's neuroma and said, you got to wear like cushioned shoes and, you know, all these different things. It kind of led me on the wrong path.
Right.
And so, yeah, I'm very happy to have found you.
Yeah. Now we can reverse it, because the fascia, you know, I mean, we're strengthening everywhere else of the body, right? So why do we want to give a, you know, an easy ticket for your foot? You know, it's like, okay, yeah, the foot, you can be soft, you can be relaxed, but let me just get big muscles in my shoulders and my chest so I can look good in the mirror, right? Doesn't make sense. So